Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Divine Tech Hub YouTube channel. Last time I stated when we hit 100 subscribers, we start course on what graphic designing with the mobile phone. Yes, I now have been sharing videos. Many, many views have been coming along, although we've not yet hit the 100 subscribers. I think this is the right time for us to start with the graphic design course. So if you are with me here today, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because from now onwards we'll have series of education on what graphic design with the mobile phone. So if you miss even one episode of this course, you are not going to what understand a part of what you are going to learn. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and as well share to your friends who are also interested in what learning graphic design. You know, I recently went to WhatsApp and I saw that most people offer these courses with huge amounts or huge prices. They charge you prices for you to what get access to this course, but for this you are getting it for free. So only thing I will need from you is for you to what share the video, subscribe, and also hit on the notification bell as well. And please do comment as well. Your comments really matter to me. Okay, so let's start. Before we get on, we have to what download the app we are going to use for this course, and you head them to our Play Store. You open the Play Store, sorry. Then you hit on the search bar. You type in Flyer Maker. I have it here, but I want to type it with you so that you see it. Okay, so Flyer Maker. Sorry. Then you search for it. Okay, so there's the app we have here: Flyers, Poster, Graphic Design, and Banner Maker. Okay, so there's the app we're going to use for this course. You just tap on the download and you download it. Okay, currently they are telling me to update mine, but I wouldn't be updating for now. So you just download it. After downloading, let's say we open the app, and no, this app normally uses data. Okay, although you can access some parts without the use of data, but it's always good to have your data on when you are using this app. Although it will have little ads on it like this one, of course, but you can always get better version of the app when you get the premium version. When you pay for the premium, you get all these ads off. Okay, so let's familiarize ourselves with the app first. This is the let's look at the interface. Okay, so when you open the app, this is the first menu we have that has the templates. Okay, when we say templates, they are designs that have been made out already for you, so that you just make some changes to it and you use it as your own. Okay, but normally when you see the pro under this, you are explain on our way going. Let's go to the second menu. That's the create. That's where we'll be working with. When before you create anything, you have to choose the size of the project you want to make. You just choose it and it makes it for you. We have the category. Okay, so these are the category of templates we have. Okay, so when let's say business, you want the category of business template you want to use, you just tap on the business here, or you can also search for it, but let's just tap on it and see how it's going to work. Okay, so you just wait for it. So this is the business template. It's loading up. So maybe you are making a design for one business and you want a quick design. Just come to this business template. There are so many designs out here for you. Just make the changes. You can even change the pictures in this as well. Okay, let's move on. Let's go back. Okay, then the search is also The search is also used to search for templates as well. Okay, so the category and the search, they are all here to what help you find templates. Then we have my design. This will consist of the designs you've made so far with the app. Okay, so these are the main interface of this app. We will end here for today. The next course or the next episode of this course, I'll be teaching you more of how to use the app and how to start making your designs. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.